Anyway, some background. What we are doing here today is that we are going to install the hook on the car because we have been planning to drive to Inner Mongolia by caravan. We have been renting RVs here in China, but this is the first time we are going to have the caravan, and let's see how it goes. Normally in China, all these kind of shops, they are located together, so if you find one place, then you find all of them. This is a huge place, maybe hundreds of car shops here, and tires, brakes, radios, whatever can be found. Taillights already removed. They are tearing out the whole bumper. Oh fuck. Why you take out the whole bumper? Maybe it's easier for them to install without the jack when they remove the bumper. Seems to be a little bit more difficult than expected, okay? Now we got it loose. And let's see if this one should be the correct one. And surely brand is unknown. As we don't have any choice now, our trip is getting closer and closer. We will replace that tow hitch anyway, and this will be removed, this original bumper support, and it will have this kind of strong one instead, and unfortunately we will lose all these support points for the rear plastic bumper, like this support. They are welded. That support, that support, that support, that support. Anyway, it looks sturdy, strong. I don't know how thick this is. Maybe, is it 5 millimeter? Let me see, can I get it? There's 4. Seems to be 5 millimeter thick, so at least it's strong. Let's check which one is this. This seems to be the correct part. What is it? 13 pole. Same standard as in Finland. Let me say this way, I don't think this is a legal installation by removing this kind of bumper, because this bumper is designed also to take some hit, and now we are going to fix this steel bumper. They have only standard washers, they don't have spring washers. This is a really strange installation. Cables to be connected. There will not be any ceiling here. How is he going to fix the ceiling? Let's see. I'm looking for screws and nuts all the time. Screws and bolts are missing. Hate the electrical tape. It always used heat shrink. That we have to come back here again. There's some bolt or nut missing. With these 100 shops around here, nobody seems to have. I think they have not even asked. Additional height for standing. Oh my god. Really strange place. They are pulling the bus cable.
刹车放掉，刹车放掉。刹车你不要给我倒档，倒档不需要的呀。刹。
Now we got the wire all the way to the fuse box. I'm not really happy with the installation, but we are in China and what can you do? Okay, you make like that. Yeah, okay, double tape. I don't know the size, but I suspect it should be the correct size. What is it, 48 or 50 millimeter diameter?
Sorry, there's something missing.
Support. Support missing.
Come again, next
Yeah. Next time.
next time.
I wonder how they are going to do this. Are they going to bend it only? Oh my god. Not even close to middle. Other side is this and other side is this.
这边差一点点，那边差一点点，没事儿的，我给你修 OK 的。
Okay though, huh? Let's see. About okay. No. Hey, what are you doing?
没有，绑这个，绑
Okay.
这个。
No, you attach it here.
不是，你这个不好绑，这个不好绑，这样太会塌下来的，必须要这绑一个。这样的话必须要这绑一个，
You
这绑一个的话太丑
You
了
don't。drill a hole, you put here. This
你
one.
这样绑的话不行，这样绑的话
可以吗？
没有，因为为什么
You have here, okay.
好
Here. There's some text here. That is unreadable totally. They did not fix it.
哦，这个下面连螺丝都没有。
留下的。